Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys couldn't tell from my hair, the butterfly clips in my hair, and my makeup, we are going to be playing around with the brand new Colourpop and Lizzie McGuire collab. I am so excited. Lizzie McGuire was like my favorite Disney Channel show ever. Lizzie McGuire and Hannah Montana like both are back to back for me. Watching it as an adult, it's very cringy, but I still love it so much and holds such a special place in my heart. And I literally could not believe that Colourpop was doing a collection on Lizzie McGuire. I was shook. I was not expecting that at all. When they posted like the little sneak peek and I like zoomed into it and it like had the little outline of the little Lizzie cartoon, shook, and the internet lost its mind. So I have the collection here today. Look at how cute this little card is. I am definitely trying to keep everything like as pristine as possible. I'm gonna keep this on display. This is what dreams are made of, literally. So this collection is launching on March 26th at 10 a.m. PST. This is on a Friday. They usually do launches on Thursday, so I just want to let you guys know. Friday the 26th at 10 a.m. PST. There are no prices of anything yet. Pop has kind of been putting the prices either the day before or the day of the collection launching. So the pricing and everything down below as soon as I find out. But until then, I do not have pricing or anything yet. I don't know if codes will work on this collection, but you guys can try it. My code is just KATRINA and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. So as always, I am going to be doing swatches, close-ups of the products while I'm talking about them, and I will be doing a tutorial after I do all that. But anyways, let's get into it. First thing that we have is the What Dreams Are Made Of eyeshadow palette. This is what the unicorn looks like. It's like this really cute tie-dye with the little like floral print kind of throughout it, and it has Lizzie's little cartoon right here. And then the actual palette itself is so cute. It has What Dreams Are Made Of on the front with her little cartoon right here, and this is what the inside looks like. There is a mirror and it has Lizzie in the little corner, and this is the inside. I'm obsessed with the color selection of this palette. I also want to read the names of the shadows as well because I think they're really cute. We have Bye Bye, Please, Done and Done, Outfit Rememberer, Dear Diary, Audi, Hello Fabulous, Don't Freak, So Mature, Outfit Repeater, and Digital Bean. So these are really cute. There is one pressed glitter in here, but the rest of them are mattes or sequin shadows and some shimmers and metallics. So that is the palette, and there are 12 pans in here. A lot of comments about the palette looking a little like washed out and stuff. I honestly feel like Colourpop's, when they post pictures of the collection on their Instagram, I feel like it doesn't look as vibrant as they do in real life. I feel like a lot of Colourpop's pictures on their Instagram are washed out. Pop up the saturation on the pictures because I feel like it's a lot more vibrant in person than it looks in pictures, even swatched. The next things that we have in the collection are two pressed powder blushes. This is what the unicorn looks like. Both of them are different. One has Lizzie sitting and the other one has Lizzie standing. The actual blushes themselves have different packaging as well. So we have Lizzie sitting on this one and then Lizzie kind of like leaning over on this one. It's super cute. So the first one that we have is You Are Magnifico, and like a little bit of a like deeper rosy toned blush. Both have shimmer throughout them. And then the next one that we have is Delish. This one's very like mauvey pinky, and the actual blushes themselves have like little floral imprints in them. Next thing that we have are the So Juicy Plumping Gloss Duos. We have Lizzie and Miranda, and then we have Ethan Craft and Gordo in this one. The Miranda, Lizzie is like a clear gloss with gold shimmer throughout it, and then Miranda is like a sheer pink with gold shimmer throughout that one. Then the Ethan Craft and Gordo one, Ethan Craft is like a little bit more of a warmer pink kind of gloss, almost like a little bit more orangey. Gordo is like this really cute like purple. They're all sheer. It's like a sheer purple gloss with some multicolored glitter in it. So those are the two So Juicy little duos. Oh, by the way, the Lizzie and Miranda one's called Dear Diary, and then the Ethan Craft and Gordo one is Seriously Cool. So those are the two little sets, and I like the packaging on these a lot. Next thing that we have are two Glitterly Obsessed. We have Sing to Me Paolo and Get a Grip. I love the name so much. This is what the boxes look like. The packaging itself is this really cute, like it has pink lids with the floral design on them. Sing to Me Paolo, which is sheer with multicolored glitter throughout it. Get a Grip is pink, like a sheer pink with some multicolored glitter in this one as well. both are really cute, very fitting for this collection. Last thing that we have in this collection is a lippy scrub, which I think is so cute. On the packaging on this one, it has Lizzie's little cartoon with herself looking in like a mirror. This one's called Bubblegum Pop, and it is a bubblegum scented lip scrub. On the actual packaging itself, it is all pink, and it has Lizzie's little cartoon on the top of this one as well on the lid. That is everything in this collection. I think they did such a killer job with the packaging. The packaging is adorable. I definitely think this is going to be like a huge collector's like thing. Like, I know that this is going to be so, like, the launch is probably going to be insane. So if you guys want it, I definitely would be on the Colourpop website at launch. It is, it was trending yesterday on Twitter. That's how like insane it was. So I know the picture that I posted on Twitter like blew up. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a huge launch, but I'm so happy that Colourpop did this. So excited for you guys, because I know so many of you guys like messaged me and was like, I need like a tutorial, I need a video like ASAP, I need like the collection video now. So I'm gonna get to this as soon as possible. I'm probably gonna post this today. But anyways, like I said, I did do a tutorial using the collection today, and this is the look that I came up with. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the palette, and I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna use like this whole bottom row. To start off with Digital Bean, which is the purple right here. I'm taking that shade first, and I think I'm gonna put this on like the outer part of my eye, and I'm gonna pack this on. And that's really pigmented. I'm going like at an angle a little bit into the crease right here, and I'm taking a clean brush to blend the edges out so it doesn't kind of get like all over the place. I keep building that color up, but honestly, like, this color is super pigmented, so I don't really need to do too much building. And I'm just taking that on the outer half of my eye, going back with a clean brush to blend the edges. Take a flat brush, kind of. It's like a fluffier flat brush. This is a Colourpop E18, and I'm gonna take Outfit Repeater. This shade right here, I love the name, it's so cute. This one is like one of those sequin shades, a bit of shimmer in it, so I'm gonna put that on this inner part of my eye right here and just pack that on. I'm going to take that semi-clean brush and blend the edges. Also gonna take a little bit of So Mature, which is this like peachy shade, and kind of go on top of that pink. Kind of mix the colors. Just kind of brighten it up. So I'm kind of mixing So Mature and Outfit Repeater. You kind of get like this lighter peachy pink. I'm gonna go back with Digital Bean to kind of re-intensify that a little bit. So once I have that on, I did this eye really quick. I just kind of blended out the edges. I think the colors in here are really pretty. They're super pigmented. I'm gonna take a little bit of Please, which is, I think this is the pressed glitter. Yeah, this is the pressed glitter in here. I'm just taking a little bit, like I just tapped my finger, the pressed glitter just a tad. I just want to add a little bit of like glitter on the inner part of my eye right here. I'm just tapping that on. I'm not taking a lot, like, at all. And it just adds like the tiniest bit of glitter. I really like it. And I am gonna do some more to the eyes, but I want to do like my concealer and stuff first, because I'm gonna do like I think green on the inner part of my eyes. So I'm gonna do my foundation really quick, and then I'll be right back. So I went ahead and did my foundation really quick. I also switched up the butterfly clips that I had in my hair to match my makeup more. So I added a green in there since I'm going to do green eyeshadow real quick. Before we get into the rest of the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and just use one of the blushes really quick. We have Delish and You Are Magnifico. I think I'm going to use this one. This one is You Are Magnifico. I'll take a little bit of this since it's a little bit darker, but the other ones are like more mauve-y, and I kind of want to use something a little bit brighter since I'm doing a little bit more of a brighter eye. So I'm just taking just a little at a time so it doesn't become too much. This one's pretty. I'm like barely taking any. I feel like this one definitely can work on like a deeper skin tone too. It's pretty pigmented. I'm just like barely taking any though. That's all I'm gonna do for blush. I don't want to take too much and like be overbearing, but this one is so cute. I love the packaging. Okay, so let's finish up the rest of the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Don't Freak, which is this shade right here. It's like that bright, limey, Very like early 2000s green. I love this color. Inner part of my eye, my inner corner. Like so. This is a little E29 brush from Colourpop. And this one's honestly really pigmented. You don't need to pack it on too much, but I really want it to pop, so I'm also bringing that a little bit onto the lid. But I feel like this really reminds me of Lizzie McGuire, so I really want to use this eyeshadow. I know this is probably not going to be everyone's cup of tea. You don't have to do it. You could just leave it how I left it. Back with my brush, whatever was left on it with that pink, just to kind of blend it a little bit. I feel like I haven't used any of the shimmers. I'm so sorry. More like matte and like sequin shades really stand out to me more than the shimmers, to be honest. So that's a good thing though, because I feel like a lot of times the shimmers are the main star of the show in a lot of palettes. And I definitely feel like this one, the actual like matte shades, I love this green. Lower lash line, and to just kind of do what I did on the top, so outer corner and connect that to the top. These shadows are really nice, like they're super pigmented. I'm honestly really impressed with them. Taking that halfway. Just gonna take Outfit Repeater, which is the pink, putting that like on the inner part. That green a little bit into the lower lash line just so it blends and it's not just like a harsh inner corner. I think that might be all I do for the eyes unless I change my mind, but I think that's pretty much it. I have some Glitterly Obsessed. You guys know I'm not too much of a fan, but it obviously fits really well with this collection. I don't really know. I kind of want to use this pink one, but I don't know where I'm going to use it. I want to add some to my hair, but then I also don't. Let's see. I'm going to take Sing to Me Palo. I'm going to put this on my collarbones. I just want to use it. I like this color a lot. It's like nice and fun. I'm just putting this on my chest actually. We're just gonna glitter it up here just to have fun with it, I guess. Add some to the hair. I don't know, I've never put this in my hair before, but why not? Like if you would put this like on a spoolie or a brush or something, it probably would go on a little bit better than me just tapping it on there. I'll finish my eyes and stuff with lashes and then I'll be right back. We're gonna go ahead and use the lip product. So I have the lip scrub right here and it's so cute. I love the packaging on this one. It has Lizzie on the front and this is bubblegum flavor. So I'm just gonna use this. Definitely bubblegum flavored. I swear. Was everything in like the early 2000s literally like bubblegum flavored? Because I swear it was. I love the Colourpop lip scrubs. I use them all the time. Actually, I mean like obviously don't eat it, but like if it gets in your mouth, it tastes good. Okay, and then the little duos, the lip gloss duos are so cute. We have Ethan Craft and Gordo and then Lizzie and Miranda. Use Lizzie, or wait, that might be Miranda. Plumping glosses. I'm hoping, dude, I've been like back to back plumping gloss and you guys know I don't like plumping glosses. So Juicy's don't really bother me that much, so I'm gonna use this one. This one's Miranda. I'm gonna see what it looks like. Okay, it does have a little bit of a tint. I like it. It is already feeling kind of tingly. These do have glitter in them, but honestly it's not like a gritty glitter or anything, but it looks so cute on. Like, I really like the little glitter in here. I think it's really cute. I like this one. This one's actually really pretty. It also, I can't tell if they smell like bubblegum or if it's the lip scrub that I'm smelling still. We could have added a lip liner. I might. I don't know yet. I think it looks okay. Add a little bit of lip liner. This is House Labs Doll. It's a little pinky. Just to have like something underneath, you know? There we go. I just added a little bit of that. Let me add that gloss back real quick. Cute. I like the gloss. I think it's really pretty. I don't know why. A lot of like the glosses and stuff have like a shimmer to it, but I don't know why, like just the random like glitters that I'm seeing when like the light hits it, I think it looks really pretty. So this is the finished look. I'm obsessed. I love this. I love this collection so much and it definitely like topped my expectations. I didn't really know like what I was expecting from the collection, but I really like it, especially the palette. I saw a lot of comparisons to the Sailor Moon palette, and I don't really think it looks that similar. I think Sailor Moon was definitely more lighter and more like on the like pastel side, whereas this one's super vibrant. Like, I really like the eyeshadows a lot. I think it's one of my favorite Colourpop palettes. I think that the pigmentation, especially on the purple, was so good. And like I was mentioning earlier too, a lot of times these shimmers are like the main focus of the palette, and it kind of like outshines some of the mattes sometimes, but I feel like the mattes actually outshine the shimmers in here. But the shimmers that are in here are actually really pretty, especially that green and like the purple and pinky one. But matte or like sequin shadows, once you tap them off, the glitter comes off, so I always just say they're like mattes. But the matte shimmers are really nice in here. I think they performed really well. They're super pigmented. They were super vibrant. I think that these colors can also work on deeper skin tones as well, which I did see some comments on that saying that like, I don't think this will work on deeper skin tones. I definitely do. These are really vibrant eyeshadows. They're super saturated and pigmented, so I think if you have a deeper skin tone, I think these won't look ashy on you. I think they're really, really nice. And like I said, I think this honestly might be one of my favorite palettes from Colourpop. I think the pigmentation is really good. Really like these lip glosses as well. They're definitely giving me like early 2000s vibes, but the colors are nice. Even though they're like sheer glosses, I like them. And I feel like I say this with a lot of collections, a lot of this is going to be like more of a collector's thing, but I feel like that products are actually good as well. The lip glosses are really cute, but I can definitely see myself using all 4 of these, so they're a nice little topper on top of any like lip liner or anything. But you guys saw like it did add a little bit of a tint as well. The little like sparkle throughout the gloss as well really adds like a nice touch. I think it looks super cute on the lips when the light hits it. Blushes I think are cute as well. I love the packaging on these so much. I think they like killed it with packaging. I wish maybe there was like 3 blushes, maybe one a little bit deeper than this one, but I feel like this one could possibly work on like a deeper skin tone. I think if you are like more like on the beginning range of deeper, I think this will be able to work for you possibly. It is pigmented, but yeah, I do wish there was like one more that was like maybe more like a rich, like I feel like even something like maybe this color, like a rich like purpley pink would have been really nice as a blush too. But overall I think both of them are cute. I think the packaging is like spot on. I'm not a huge fan of the Glitterly Obsessed, but I feel like it definitely, if you're gonna put glitters in any collection, I think it would be this one, so I can definitely look past that. I like the packaging on these a lot. I think it's really cute. How many times can I say things are cute in this video? But I do think that it is very fitting for like an early 2000s collection. And I really like this touch of a lip scrub. I mean, like, it's cute. I use lip scrubs all the time, but I really like the packaging on this one. I like that it's in like this all pink packaging as well, and it has Lizzie on the front. It's adorable. Overall, I give this collection 2 thumbs up for me. I really, really like it, and I definitely think that the colors in here do give like the Lizzie McGuire vibe. When I see this color combo, I definitely think of Lizzie McGuire. I love it. I definitely recommend it. I'm pretty sure this collection will sell out really fast, so if you do want anything, I definitely would be like on the website exactly when it launches. Of the like little Lizzie McGuire hair that I did as well. I just kind of threw my hair up in a messy bun and called it a day with some little straggly pieces over here. My early 2000s. Lizzie McGuire was like my whole entire life, so this like is so perfect. I love it so much, and I'm so happy Colourpop of all brands decided to do a Lizzie McGuire collection, so I'm super, super happy with it. Anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. I will link everything down below when it launches, and also like pricing and all that stuff when I find it out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.